you freeze dry foods, Mylar bags are used to store that food in a sealed manner out of direct sunlight. Sometimes those bags don't seal correctly and you are left wondering why. One of those reasons is why I'm making this video. Let's start at the beginning. Once we place our freeze-dried food in the Mylar bags with the moisture and oxygen absorbers, we place it in the Avid Armor machine. This sucks out all of the oxygen. Then, as an added measure, we seal the bag with the sealer that comes with the freeze dryer. A Mylar bag should stay looking like this. However, if it's not sealed properly, the next day it may look like this. Take a close look at the seal. If it has a small imperfection in the seal, it may be causing your freeze-dried foods to take on oxygen. Just make sure that the seal is perfectly straight, and you should have perfectly sealed Mylar bags without oxygen that should last on the shelf for many years if stored properly.